Today, we will explore the 7 benefits of developing river basins, which are crucial for sustainable development. First, developing river basins ensures a steady and reliable water supply for irrigation and human consumption. Second, it helps prevent floods by effectively managing the water flow and reducing the risk of waterlogging. Third, river basin development promotes the conservation of aquatic ecosystems and protects the biodiversity within them. Fourth, it creates opportunities for hydropower generation, contributing to renewable energy production and mitigating climate change. Fifth, it enhances navigation and transportation by maintaining navigable channels and improving infrastructure along the river. Sixth, river basin development supports agricultural activities, leading to increased productivity and improved livelihoods for farmers. Seventh, it provides recreational and tourism opportunities, attracting visitors and boosting the local economy. In conclusion, developing river basins brings essential benefits like water supply, flood prevention, conservation, energy generation, navigation, agriculture, and tourism. By investing in the sustainable development of river basins, we can ensure a better future for both humans and the environment. So, let's take action today and prioritize the development of river basins for a more prosperous and sustainable world. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content.